Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSI Confidence Booster. Today we see the second part of the previous year's question paper, second grade draftsman, second grade overseer, PWD bar irrigation held on 2016. The links of the first part is given in the description box below. Friends, all questions are very important, so don't skip till the end. Let me go through the questions. Question number 21. Transformers are rated in. Answer is option C, kVA. Question number 22. Frequency of rotor current of three-phase induction motor is. Answer is option A, slip into frequency of stator current. Question number 23. Dash is known as universal gate. Answer is option B, NAND gate. Question number 24. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to. Answer is option D, 36 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Question number 25. IE is to IB is to IC, that is emitter current is to base current is to collector current is equivalent to. Answer is option B, 1 is to 1 minus alpha is to alpha. Question number 26. The number of parallel paths in wave winding is. Answer is option D, 2. Question number 27. Zener diodes are commonly used as. Answer is option C, voltage regulator. Question number 28. Which is secondary cell? Answer is option D, lead acid cell. Question number 29. 1 nanofarad is equal to. Answer is option B, 10 raised to minus 9 farad. Question number 30. The time taken by an alternating quantity to complete one cycle. Answer is option A, time period. Question number 31. Speed of DC motor is directly proportional to dash and inversely proportional to. Answer is option C, back EMF and flux. Question number 32. If capacitors are connected in series, effective capacitance is. Answer is option B, 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus etc. Question number 33. Watts is equal to. Answer is option A, VA cos phi. Question number 34. EMF equation of a DC generator is. Answer is option A. 5 is at N by 60 into P by A volts. Question number 35. Admittance is the dash of conductance and susceptance. Answer is option C, vector sum. Question number 36. Which has negative temperature coefficient of resistance? Answer is option D, carbon. Question number 37. Which is class Y insulating material? Answer is option B, cotton. Question number 38. Charge of an electron is. Answer is option C, 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Question number 39. Atomic number is the number of. Answer is option D, electrons. Question number 40. Solder is the mixture of. Answer is option A, tin and lead. Question number 41. 1N4007 is semiconductor diode. Here 1N represents. Answer is option D, 1 PN junction. Question number 42. Color code for 47 ohm resistor with plus or minus 5% tolerance. Answer is option A, yellow, violet, black and gold. Question number 43. Two current carrying conductors placed side by side experience a force of attraction. Answer is option A, when current direction of both conductors are same. Question number 44. Fire caused by LPG is dash fire. Answer is option A, class B. Question number 45. Which motor is used in portable drilling machine? Answer is option C, universal motor. Question number 46. Negative plate of lead acid cell. Answer is option B, spongy lead. Question number 47. Ammeter shunt is dash resistance. Answer is option C, low resistance. Question number 48. Melting point of copper. This is the cancelled question in PSC. Here, the correct answer is 1084.62 degrees Celsius. That is, the melting point of copper is 1084.62 degrees Celsius. Question number 49. 18 SWG is equal to dash mm. Here, SWG means standard wire gauge. The answer is option A, 1.22. Question number 50. Electrolyte used in Edison cell. Answer is option C, KOH. That is potassium hydroxide. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. Please give your valuable suggestions as comment.